Welcome to the ICANN Center, where independence begins with access.
Hey there, I'm Kit. I'm a library assistant too at the OliverMcMillan ICANN Center, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use our SARA reader. It's a little bit different from the Optelec. This actually will scan and read physical documents out loud to you, just in case you have more difficulties with vision. We're going to start by hitting the power button. It'll start beeping at you. You haven't broken it. Next, we're going to hit the menu button on the monitor, and we're going to go down to source control with the plus or minus button, and then hit OK. That takes you to a new menu where you're going to go down to VGA and hit OK one more time. Now we're just waiting for it to load.
Welcome to SARA. Jill is the current reading voice. Press the red scan key to scan. Press the green read key to begin reading. Press the yellow help key followed by any key to learn what it does. New document.
So just like the SARA reader said, we're going to hit this big red button in order to start the scan. And then we're going to wait for a shutter noise. There we go. It can take a second for it to start reading, or you can just hit the play button.
Etiquette. Helpful hints from the OliverMcMillan ICANN Center patrons who are blind or visually impaired.
You can hit that exact same button to pause it. If it's maybe going a little too fast, or if it's a little too loud, there are adjustment buttons. The volume control is the speaker button down here. You're either going to hit left on it
Softer.
to make it quieter, or right on it
Louder.
to make it louder. Alternatively, for speed, you're going to hit the rabbit button on the left
Slower.
to go slower, and right
Faster.
to go faster. But that's basically it. If you have any additional questions, feel free to ask us at the desk. We're more than happy to help. Have a good day.